Good morning students. Today's topic composting. It is the continuation of the last class. Compost is an important portion of organic farming. It is the process of taking a heap of wet organic matter termed as a green waste. It consists of the leaves and other food waste. Compost is consists of the leaves and also other food waste and waiting for the material to break down into human after a few weeks or months. Nowadays, many areas or community living or they have the compost their garbage locally and use the manure for the local garden itself. This is the best example for reuse and recycle. This compost, what we'll do, we have to collect in our garbage and we'll put in our the garden. This is the recycle. Yes, no. If we throw that means we will not recycle. If we kept and afterwards if we use means that is the recycle. That is the best example. See, uses of the compost. Compost is a very useful and easy to create. It is a very rich in nutrition and it is used as a manure in a garden, agriculture and also horticulture. See, it is a very good for the environment as it is a soil conditioner and also natural pesticides for the soil. It is used for the soil and also nutrition and also it is a very used to plant growth, nutrition and also a horticulture, agriculture. See, need to reduce the garbage. How to reduce the garbage? As the amount of garbage increases day by day, we face the day when there will be more garbage. Then there is a space for landfills are already full and irresponsible dumped garbage causes an issue to the environment by releasing the toxic gases and also spreading a unnecessary disease. Yes, no? If we kept a garbage in front of our home only, it will not clean means it gives us a very harmful diseases and also it is a very harmful to our daily life. See, way to reduce the garbage. Use the reusable bags for shopping. You will go for shopping now. It is reusable shopping bags and also packing lunches or even leftover. Try to reduce the disposable packing as much as possible. Try to make a choice to use a product that are refillable and single use and through kind of a packing. At least next time also we have to use that. Like that things we have to use. Avoid the items that are packed individually where the choice exists. Try to buy the items in a bulk. Bulk means bahala. Yes, as this reduce the packaging to large extent. Compost food scrap and garden waste and also try to buy the detergent and also in a concentrated form. Try to go as a paper cells and your transaction as much as possible. In ATM, you will take the money. Afterwards, you will get the one receipt to know how much you have a transaction, how much you did transaction. Like that you stop and at least you receive the bank information as an email rather than the paper mails. And also try to donate a used clothes to thrift stores and also encourage reuse and recycle of the product. And also support and buy items made of a recycled content like a recycled paper. Everything we will do just some of the things you have to recycle. Yes, see, since the population is expanding day by day it's expanding. So is the amount of the garbage we produce. It is the need of our to start making a constant studies into waste reduction. It is important to reduce the waste of a minimum reuse. Whatever we can and recycle the rest of our garbage. Only when all of the above is not possible should we end up disposing to anything in the garbage. If we can't recycle all of the things, just we have to reduce the uses of the waste and the thought process around a composter should be governed by the reduce, recycle and also reuse and dispose. These all things we have to keep in our mind and we have to apply in your life. Yes, understood the waste management. Once again you read, then you will get to know. Okay, thank you.